Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a truck bed liner for my pickup truck. And if you hear some noise outside, that's the truck warming up there. That's the diesel engine. So this is from Lasfit. They were so kind to send me this product here, and something I actually really need because my truck bed is pretty dinged up and scuffed up. And had I had this before, or the previous owner, had he had this before, the truck bed wouldn't look that bad right now. So it is important to have you protect your truck bed, and if you don't want to spend the money to have a spray inliner, get something like this at least. And if you have some smaller items, boxes, they don't slide from back and forth all the time, you know, and get damaged. So this is a good product. So let's look at it. I'm saying it's a good product, I haven't even looked at it, but I can tell you I have used Lasfit before. And while I open the box, I'll put some pictures in. So you should be seeing now my Tesla and the cargo mats from Lasfit, and also the mats of the bags of the rear seats. So a really good product, and I like it in Tesla as well. Okay, let's get this open here. It is cold today, so yeah, I'm wearing some gloves today because it was pretty chilly in here. I need a cameraman or something because I can check this out with holding the camera. So let me put it down for a second and see what we can do here. All right. Okay. There we go. Okay, look at that packaging here. It's all folded up. Isn't that crazy? Probably not the best idea to do this when it's so cold, because this seems to be pretty rigid right now. Okay. Okay, this is the thing. This is the truck bed liner here. And look, it comes with a user manual. Why do I need a user manual for a truck bed liner? Okay. Read carefully. Take Lasfit liner package. Don't worry. Feel free to manually fix the liner in the opposite way. Blah blah blah. Or wait some time to let the liner restore itself. Okay, so 90 days money back guarantee, lifetime warranty, 24/7 online support. Wow, and local support in California. Who doesn't like that? But I am not in California, and that's good. Okay, it has a nice Lasfit logo on it. See that? The quality, it's different than what I had in my Tesla, to be honest. I am surprised. It's very different. Okay, well, yeah, who knows? I mean, it's probably a good product. So time will tell, and it's a little bit pushed there, but I'm gonna put the camera aside, move the truck so we can get this thing in. And of course I should wash, but it's so cold now. If I wash now, I'll have ice in the bed. So I'll just put this on over the dust, and I'll wash it later when I have better weather, which can take a while in Utah. Okay guys, I'll be right back and I'll show you what this product looks like in the vehicle. Okay, hold on. Sorry, a little mishap there. The camera did want to turn off, but I saved it. Okay, like I said, I'll be right back. All right, so this is the result. And see, these here, they're supposed to connect with this, which they don't line up, but it's okay, you know. I think this wouldn't really attach to it anyways. And it's not laying flat, but that's just because it was in the package and because it's really cold. So once it gets warmer, it will lay flatter. And I'm not gonna publish the video for a while to see how it flattens out, and then I'll film again and then I'll publish the videos, just so you know exactly what is going on. Now it's too early for me to say how I like this product. I mean, right now my first impression is that it's a good product because it will protect the floor, and it's anti-slip, which can be good and can be bad, of course. But the good thing is you can always remove it and fold it up if you don't want it in. For just daily driving, going shopping, putting some stuff in, you don't want it to fall around, this here is perfect. So I think it's a good product. So yeah, not much talking much longer. I'll get back when it's a little warmer, and hopefully the mat will lay a little more flat inside there. So we'll do that. I'll close this. Alright guys, so talk to you in just a minute. Alright guys, and it is a day later. I was hoping for good weather, but man, it was really dense fog. You can probably see back there. The mountains are all gone because it's so foggy there. So I washed my truck yesterday, and now the birds came, and look at that. Some nice bird poop all over. Anyways, let's go look at that bed here and see what the mat does. Open that. Open the tailgate, and here we are. And sadly, because it's so cold, it is still buckling there in the middle. See that? It's kind of a rigid, stiff material, so I think it's gonna be good though. You know, I like it. What could they do better with this? I think they could just not put these in, because obviously it doesn't slide, because it holds on the wheel wells there, so it's not gonna slide out. So I think they should not put these in. But these here, whatever you want to call that, a little elevated. That's probably a good thing if you drop something a little bit harder on it, so there's a little bit of a buffer, or stuff doesn't slide around as much. So that's probably good. But other than that, you know, I gotta try it out so I can tell you my honest opinion. My honest opinion is a good product, seems to be good. It's a little, not really flat, but there was a warning. Someone's shooting there. So there's a warning in the box that warns you that that might happen, and it says that you can just force it and fold it flat, or that it will go flat when it gets a little bit warmer, and I trust that. So just imagine it is nice and flat, and everything is good. Yeah, that's it. So that's the Lasfit truck bed liner, and if you want one of these, I'll put some link in my description so you can look at it, and then you can go look at their website, and if you want one, you can get that. So do that. And I believe I have a discount code for these guys as well, and I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. And if you want to use that discount code, then you get a little bit cheaper. It's usually like 5 to 10% off your entire purchase. All right guys, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. I know a lot of you watch, but they don't subscribe, so I don't know why. So please subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you more accessories, reviews of my cars, of other cars, of products. Just come back. All right guys, thanks for your support, and have a wonderful evening.